Hey guys! In today's video, we're showing you how to change preferred landing page on ADP website. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website my.adp.com, then enter your user ID on the field provided. Once the user ID is entered, click on Next. Next, enter your account password on the second field. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for recommended actions at the lower right side of the screen. Click on Settings. On this page, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for Landing Page. Under it, you will see a drop-down arrow for Preferred Landing Page. Click on the drop-down arrow to show the options. From the options provided, click on the one you wish to choose. That's how you change your preferred landing page on ADP website. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.